Alright guys, so check this out. I'm in the new stew. Chill. Anyway, I got this cap on. My barber kind of cooked me. I'm gonna do a hair reveal at the end. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make catchy new jazz loops. Maybe I'll put some drums on it too. Yeah, check this out. I'm in Africa. You don't know where I'm at. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a catchy new jazz loop. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna do for this, let's do like 138. That sounds cool. And I'm gonna get Analog Lab. It always does this. So what you gotta wait here. Look, I'm in a field. Yeah. Okay. Half loaded. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to get a piano. Grab this one, Dark Ballad. We're in the scale of C minor. I'm just gonna find two notes that are one semitone apart. Let's say this G and G sharp right here. Put our first note right here. Let's go one up and then back down. Now that we have our bass notes, let's make minor 7 chords. You guys already know for new jazz you need to do minor 7 chords. To make a minor 7 chord, you just want to skip 2 notes, 2 notes, 2 notes. Those 2 notes have to be in your scale. Yeah. Just copy it over. I just want to shorten that one. I just want to add some like little notes just kind of in between, or you know, just kind of sauce it up a little bit. That's cool. Let's get a key layer now. And again, you gotta wait forever with Analog Lab. All right, while we're waiting in the meantime, let's go to Portugal. We're at the World Cup. Actually, no. You know what? Right now, we're at the Olympic Games. We're at the Olympic Games right now. I just scored a goal. Yeah. Let's get a piano layer. Man, I hate Analog Lab for this one reason, because it just takes forever to load, man. We have like 2 wonky sounding pianos, and now we need like one that's kind of soft, but like thick, you know what I'm saying? Like it just takes up a lot of space. Let's get a lead. I'm gonna go to my Mia Meet kit. I also just updated it, so if you guys copped it, go get the update. If you guys haven't copped it yet, go cop it. Links down below. I appreciate all you guys for the support. Look at this. Look at this. We got this green screen because of you guys. You know what I'm saying? We're in the Alps. The opium bird behind me. I like this one. This one's like super new jazz vibes. That goofy ah type. Let's make this hoe slide. And then let's layer it, make it sound a little bit fuller. Here, grab this key right here. Now I just want to add some little sounds, just kind of like texture the loop. I'm gonna change that piano. I like this one. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, and let's just arrange our loop, and then maybe we'll throw some drums on after. Toss some quick drums on this. Yeah. I think I'm gonna pitch it down. Right, let's get an 808. I'll pitch that one up. No, sounds bad. It's a bit low, but it kind of works. this over. Let's get a hi-hat. They really broke it with this new update. It crashes all the time, nothing loads. It's just so annoying, man. Yo, I think I'm gonna freestyle on this after.
You're all that remains.
Dude, I look goofy as hell in this hat. I'm gonna do the hair reveal. All right, guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to get any of my kits, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys that caught. Look at what we can buy with that. We can buy this green screen. I'm gonna do the hair reveal soon. You guys can roast me. I look kind of like a cancer patient in it, but it is what it is, you know. We're gonna do the hair reveal, boys. You ready? Look at my goofy forehead, yo. It's a new me. Kind of look like that guy from Fairly Odd Parents, like that rich fat kid. Dude, my barber cooked me for sure. Anyway, guys, my barber definitely cooked me. If you guys want to cook me in the comments, go for it. Free game, you know what I mean? I look kind of crazy.